Hi, my name is Gigi. Happy New Year. So, I want to talk about yesterday. I made some videos. So, if you want, let's see. Let's watch. I cooked Korean ramen yesterday. Even though it was windy and rainy yesterday, it was fine. The weather didn't matter to me. Yesterday was the day before New Year, 31st December 2025. So I saw the fireworks at 7:45 p.m. It was amazing. The scenery was so beautiful that I couldn't take more videos. I had to watch it. I wanna capture everything with my eyes every moment. Let's watch the fireworks. Today I use ChatGPT in English. That's why my English is better than before. But I trying to my best. I trying to improve my English skill though. So this is day 2.